Are you curious about our new product? The name is Lip Cotton.
So just check this video.
Yeah. Hey everyone! My name is Thongminna from cosmaxindonesia.
And my name is Neni in Indonesia.
Do you know the lip cream well? Lip cream is popular from the 2017 in Indonesia. So now we want to develop new product. The name is Lip Cotton.
Since this one is still new in our development.
It's quite different texture with the lip cream, so we will do compare the texture from the between the lip cream and the lip cotton. See on my hand, I will show you the texture differences. So now I'm gonna compare the texture of lip cream and lip cotton. I will show the lip cream, the texture on my hand first. Lip cream, you already know about it, the texture. Lip cream texture is like the creamy, and after that it will gonna be matte finish. And now I will show you the lip cotton. Lip cotton is more like the velvet and the silky finish with the powdery texture. You can see the differentiation.
Now I'm trying the lip cream. Ooh, the formula is very light but coverage, comfortable on my lips and very smooth. I think I will love it and I will use it in my daily. And for the transfer proof, as you can see, there is no transfer on my hand. And now this is a lip cotton. This product is excellent and better than lip cream in spreadability, more conditioning on my lips, so it feels silkier and smoother on my lips. This lip cotton gives very lightweight but high coverage also. It has very dry texture with semi-matte finish, also long lasting. And how about the transfer proof? It's good. Maybe you're gonna love this. Finally, we already tried those food for that. So,
Which one do you like? I like both.
Yeah, I also love both. But maybe everyone has a different type of the lips.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can choose which one is lighter or which one is covered by your side. So I think it's would be boom in Cosmax.
Yeah, but I would recommend our new product lip cotton to try because it's very new technology.
Yeah, sure. I love it too.
Yeah. So
It's a wrap then now. Okay, see you next video and bye bye.
bye bye.